Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, now again, I have got 6 videos to do and I'm fighting off this cold and it come back, it hit me twice as worse, so I'm not going to do the usual long intro or outro, but I will go ahead and read the comment that I picked from my last video, which was my November BoxyCharm variations. Congratulations, Melissa Adams. Melissa says, got mine today and I love everything in it. Well, I'm so glad that you're enjoying it, Melissa. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure your subscribe button is on and make sure your bell is turned on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in. We already got the Ipsy December bags. We got all 3 of them. Now we got them for the Ipsy Standard bag and also the Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Ultimate. Now they're all 3 silver, and of course, you know, they're all 3 going to be different like bags, but they're all going to be the same color and everything. So I think these are pretty good. I know last year, 2018, this is the bag they put out. It was this gold one. You know, silver and gold, it just goes with Christmas, so I understand why they done this. I really do like the bags. So tell me what you think down below in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'm going to keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Sheila Paulette Roberts. Sheila says, hi, Mandy, how are you? I'm feeling a little bit better today, Sheila. Thank you so much for asking, honey. I hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please, again, make sure you are still subscribed to my channel. YouTube is... They're taking away a bunch of subscribers from a bunch of channels. Don't know why they're doing it, but if you would, make sure you're still subscribed and also make sure your notification bell's turned on. That way you catch every video. And guys, that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.